We are continuing the type 2 coordination chart for the motor starter for LV low voltage motor starter panels. This is the last video related to motor starter selection, motor starter component selection. So this is the selection chart for SFU feeder, that means switch fuse unit feeder. So for the smaller range, for the feeders, feeder rating 6 ampere to 32 ampere rated feeders, that SFU rating will be selected as 32 ampere, and fuse rating will be different. For 6 ampere feeder, that fuse rating will be 6 ampere. For 16 ampere feeder, the fuse rating will be 16 ampere. For 32 ampere feeder, the fuse rating will be 32 ampere. And this is the module size 1/8. I have discussed in the first video what is 1/8, what is 1/4 or 1/3. These are the modules, starter module sizes. Okay, for 50 ampere, you can see here for 50 ampere rated feeder, SFU rating is 63 ampere and fuse rating is 50 ampere. So these are the panel supply or the vendor recommendation. We need to follow these instructions to obtain the type 2 coordination between different components in the starter panel. Okay, so for 160 ampere feeder rating, we need to use SFU switch fuse unit rating as 250 ampere. For 400 ampere, it is 400 ampere SFU rating. Okay, now coming to this upper side here for the ACB panels. Okay, selection chart for the ACB panels, that means breaker operated panels. This is air circuit breaker. For the feeder ratings, air circuit breaker for incomers and bus couplers up to 1600 ampere. This is single tier formation, single tier panel, and this is the panel dimension. This is with 650 width, 2450 height and 1300 depth or 1500 depth. This is cable entry from panel bottom. Okay, for ACB incomers and bus coupler 600 ampere to 1600 ampere. This is also single tier panel, and this is the panel size, and here this is bus duct entry from bus duct. Generally this is top bus duct entry, panel top side or from side also it is possible depending on the space availability at site. For incomers and bus couplers, this is higher rated from 2000 ampere to 4000 ampere, single tier panel, and this width is more. You can see this is 950 width and 2450 height is same, and depth is also more, 1700, and this is obviously bus duct entry from top and side also possible, provision is there. Okay, for all other outgoing feeders, suppose ACB outgoing up to 1250 ampere, this is double tier panel, you can consider. For ACB outgoing up for 1600 ampere single tier panel, you can consider. ACB outgoing from 2000 ampere to 3200 ampere single tier panel. So here, as you can see, for the incomers and bus coupler panels, this is the single tier formation, and cable entry and also bus duct entry is possible. But for the ACB outgoing feeders, here only the cable entry from panel bottom side. So this is one of the panel features I have discussed in this video, though this is not the part of type 2 coordination chart, but I have discussed for the sake of clarity for ACB operated incomers bus coupler and ACB operated outgoing feeders. Okay, now what is about this table? This is the selection chart for MCC, motor control center ACDB or DCDB panel, form 4B. This is form 4B construction and bottom cable entry panels. So this is double front type up to 2000 ampere double front panel, and this is the panel size, typical size 850 width, 2450 height and 1000 depth. 1 meter is depth. So all these dimensions here in millimeter. Okay, here you can see 850 mm, 850 millimeter width. That means 500, here is the breakup, 500 mm is the module size and 350 mm is the cable alley for the cable entry inside the panel. So 500 plus 350, it is coming 850 mm width. And here you can see from 2500 ampere to 4000 ampere, this is also double front panel. And after 1250 ampere, this is single front we used here. And again this is a 850 mm width, that means 500 mm module plus 350 mm cable alley for cable entry. And in all the cases you can see the height is the same, 2450 mm, that means 2.45 meter, almost 2.5 meter is the panel height. But width also same. Only thing is the depth. You can see the depth is varying. This is 1 meter depth for up to 2000 ampere panel. From 2500 ampere to 4000 ampere panel, this is more, depth is more. This is 1.2 meter or 1200 mm. And for this panel, for this feeder up to 1250 ampere, you can see this is very small. This is 500 mm depth only, because this is single front again. So this is the panel size, and you can get the concept regarding the panel height, width, depth, and also the cable entry, whether it is bus duct entry, and also the type 2 coordination, switch fuse, or the component selection. In this 3 video I have covered in brief. Further, if you need in detail regarding any of the discussions or any of the settings or the components related issue, you can drop your comment in the comment box. I will try my best to make a new video in detail.